Once upon a time, in a dense green forest, lived a little squirrel named Squirt. Squirt was smaller than the other squirrels, but he had a big heart and an even bigger imagination. Every day, Squirt would scamper around the forest, collecting acorns and playing with his friends. But Squirt always felt there was something more out there for him. One sunny morning, Squirt decided to embark on an adventure. He packed a small bag with his most treasured possessions, a shiny acorn, a tiny pinecone, and a soft feather. He bid farewell to his friends, promising to return with stories of his adventure. With a skip in his step, Squirt ventured into the unknown parts of the forest. As he journeyed, Squirt encountered many wonders. He saw a bright orange sunset, heard the sweetest song of a nightingale, and even met a friendly deer named Daisy. But the most amazing thing he saw was a beautiful waterfall. Squirt was so captivated by its beauty that he forgot about his promise to his friends. As the days turned into nights, Squirt realized that he missed his friends and home. He decided it was time to return. With a heavy heart, Squirt said goodbye to Daisy and started his journey back home. Along the way, he thought about the lessons he learned. He realized that home was not just a place, but the people and friends who made it special. Upon reaching home, Squirt was greeted with open arms by his friends. He shared his stories and showed them his treasures. The friends listened in awe, and Squirt felt happier than ever before. From that day on, Squirt was content. He knew that adventures were exciting, but home was where his heart truly belonged. And so, Squirt lived happily, always ready for another adventure, but always remembering that home was where his friends and love were. The end.